Hi there, Jesse over here at EC Auto Repair, and whether this is the first video you've seen or whether you've seen several of my videos, you're going to be able to realize that we're tackling a subject that there could be a lot of controversy on. My goal is not to be controversial. My goal is to be able to give you the information that you deserve. So I got a little Toyota Prius here. This Toyota Prius actually has the CVT transmission. I believe the manufacturer refers to that as a constant velocity transmission. Whatever you call it, it's a CVT transmission. One of the things that I would like for you to know, though, is there is a cost to owning a CVT transmission. On a regular automatic transmission, yeah, maybe you can go over on the mileage occasionally, maybe whatever, right? On a CVT transmission, they're great transmissions as long as you do good maintenance on them. This particular transmission in this Toyota Prius is the original transmission. This car has 135,000 miles on it. I've seen CVT transmissions fail long before 135,000 miles. This vehicle has actually been maintained. The services have been done every 30,000 miles on the CVT Transmission Fluid Exchange. What you'll notice is if you was to look closely, there's not a transmission dipstick on this car. This one is actually referred to as a sealed transmission. There's no way to check the fluid. There's no way to know if it's running low. There's no way to look and see what condition it is. There's no way to even smell it unless you would literally put the car on the lift and pull one of the plugs where we do the fluid exchange at. So what we do is during the oil changes, we'll monitor, make sure we don't have an axle that's leaking or a leak that's present, right? And then every 30,000 miles, we'll actually do the CVT Fluid Exchange. We'll introduce the cleaner, we'll run it, we'll follow the procedure, get it up to operating temperature, do all the different things, get that all cleaned out, and then we'll exchange all that dirty and old fluid out, install the new CVT fluid with the CVT transmission conditioner so that transmission will be good for another 30,000 miles. Those are solid transmissions as long as they are maintained well. So if your car has a CVT transmission, then you really need to do this service. This service is literally only $350 plus or minus a few taxes, right? The new CVT transmission, I'm not sure how much it cost on this car, but I did one the other day on a Nissan that had a CVT in it. I believe that transmission was $7,000 parts and labor to get that out the door, right? Those transmissions will fail prematurely if you forego the maintenance on it. I care. That's why I'm telling you this. And I'll see you in the next video.